welcome. This is going to be for Pisces, the moon rising in Venus, which you're having to look forward to in May 2021. Just a couple of quick things to please keep in mind. This may or may not resonate for you. I hope that it does, but it's just not always possible that I'm going to resonate with everyone all of the time. So that being said, the other thing to please keep in mind is that our sense of timing is not always in alignment with divine timing. So while I am aiming for May 2021, the message that comes through may be something that has happened in the recent past, and it may also not be something, that happens until the near future. So on that note, I just want to say that I was picking up on this energy for Pisces of where it feels like you're ready to release yourself from something. Okay, I feel like that maybe you've been caught up in a situation that is unhealthy or toxic. Okay, maybe codependent. I feel like maybe for some of you it's a matter of being financially stable, okay, and maybe being afraid to separate due to the uncertainty as far as finances and security is concerned, okay? But let's just get right into it. I feel like maybe in May is when you're going to kind of make this decision for yourself, okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Holy Spirit, please, what does Pisces have to look forward to in May 2021? May 2021 for Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit, what does Pisces have to look forward to May 2021? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. Door to healing or personal healing and happiness. Number 34. The Sun card on the bottom. So I would say so, right? I mean, there's abundance, there's happiness, enlightenment, perhaps. Okay, maybe surrounding the situation as far as like how to get to this place of healing and happiness. Man holding a heart, number 45. Okay, so you could be the masculine energy here. Okay, you don't necessarily have to be a man. You could be, a woman possessing this energy, this masculine energy. But either way, this could be somebody looking to make a change, or make a move towards healing their heart space here. Okay, maybe they're looking to part ways from someone in order to do this. All right, patience is on the bottom, number 16. Victory, number 28. All right, so I feel as if, it's a matter of like slowly working up to this place for yourself, okay? Or it has been a matter of, slowly moving up to this place. Alright, so I'm going to get the regular tarot now. Let's see. Let's get more to this story for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit, what more do you have for Pisces? What they're having to look forward to in May 2021. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. May 2021, please, Holy Spirit. What does Pisces have to look forward to in May 2021? May 2021, please, Holy Spirit, for Pisces. What does Pisces have to look forward to May 2021? Wow. So there it is the Ten of Swords. Okay, yeah, I feel like this is a matter of you ending a painful cycle for yourself. Okay, possibly a toxic situation. But I feel like you're really looking to move into this place of, you know, peace and happiness for yourself, right? I think you're looking to make healthier choices here, maybe in your relationships, right? Page of Pentacles, all right, yeah. I feel as if, you know, like I said, I feel this has been a slow process, okay? But I feel as if, you know, you are really looking to move on in a new direction, okay, towards a greater sense of stability here. You may have been lacking, you know, as far as that is concerned in a current connection. So you have the Three of Cups, the King of Pentacles on the bottom, yeah, Ten of Wands, the Sun card, alright, Nine of Swords. I feel like somebody has been very unhappy here, okay. This could be a third-party situation with Three of Cups, you know, some sort of betrayal or something like that. Perhaps somebody betrayed you, or maybe you just have you know, other options here with the Three of Cups, all right? But I feel as if, like, you're in something that is lacking in emotional connection, okay? I feel as though this may be a relationship where it's only surface level, okay, so like as far as finances are concerned, something like that, right? But I feel as if, like, on a, you know, from the heart space here, there is not a lot of love or affection, okay, between the two, if that makes sense. So you know, I feel with the King of Pentacles, I feel like this is you in a sense, because I feel as if, like I said in the beginning, you know, you may be kind of holding on to a situation, you know, because of finances, right? Financial reasons. But I feel as though you're really weighed down by that, all right? And I feel that, you know, you're really in your head. It's like you really want to go after this happiness. You want to, you know, you want success and abundance, and, you know, to live life to the fullest is what I feel like. All right, but you're weighed down by whatever this commitment is, this connection. Let's get another one here for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit, Pisces. May 2021, what does Pisces have to look forward to? May 2021. I feel like you're kind of maybe looking to move on here. All right, towards better things. Yeah, because, okay, so Knight of Pentacles, yeah. I feel as if, you know, you may be looking to move towards somebody else here with the Knight of Pentacles. But either way, I just sort of see this as you looking to be more stable, you know, and secure. All right, happier in, you know, on your own and in your relationships alike, okay? I will clarify these all. Eight of Cups, see, I feel like that's you ready to move on. You've turned your back to the past, you know, you're like ready to release this disappointment. Let's get another one here for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and thank you. Yeah, Four of Swords. Okay, so I feel like you've definitely been thinking about this. Okay, you may even be strategizing with the Knight of Pentacles and Four of Swords. I will clarify each. But I feel, okay, so you may be wanting to, like, actually, like I said, move on to a different connection here of some sort. All right, and so I feel as though, you know, this Four of Swords, this is you, like, contemplating about all these things. And the next step would be to get up and go and, you know, take action towards it. So you have the Six of Cups here on the bottom and Knight of Swords as well as Strength. So yeah, see, I feel like this is you ready to release, you know, yourself from some sort of commitment or situation and move forward here, you know, towards things that are more fulfilling or someone that is more fulfilling, okay? One more and then we'll clarify, please, Holy Spirit, for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What Pisces is having to look forward to May 2021. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What is Pisces having to look forward to in May 2021? Yeah, okay, so here's that transformational energy with the Death card, okay? So, you know, death is an ending, but it's like, it's a transformational energy in the sense, like, that you move on to, like, this other form, right? So, one thing is definitely ending, and you may be moving towards something else. So let's go ahead and clarify, and there's that Page of Pentacles again, okay? So let's clarify the Ten of Swords, Pisces, or this is somebody, keep in mind that this could also be somebody, you know, around you, or, you know, that you're dealing with, maybe coming towards you. Alright, so let's clarify the Ten of Swords for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit. Clarify the Ten of Swords, what Pisces is having to look forward to May 2021. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. Alright, so you're definitely healing from something that, you know, that was a long time coming, I feel like, okay? But this Ace of Pentacles, this is a new start. It's a new beginning. It's solid. It's stable. You know, like I said, it could be another commitment, okay? Could be work related. It could also be love with that man holding a heart. I just definitely see where you have one ending and you have a new beginning, okay? And this beginning is definitely something that I feel as though you see this as a long term. You see it as, you know, like you're happily ever after, okay? The Ace of Cups is here on the bottom and the Four of Wands. So like I said, you know, I feel as though there's one, you know, something ending, but also there's the potential for some of you where, you know, there's this new start with someone fresh maybe here, okay? That you feel would go, you know, all the way. Alright, so clarify the Three of Cups for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What they're having to look forward to. Yeah, Three of Wands. Alright, somebody's definitely got their back turned to the past here. I feel as though somebody may definitely have multiple options, and I feel like they're releasing one option and moving towards somebody else here or something else, okay, in their life. Six of Wands and the Chariot, so there it is, and the Ace of Swords. Yeah, I really feel as though somebody is leaving something and moving forward here, okay? I feel there's truth, there's clarity, there may even be communication here, but I feel as if somebody is cutting something or someone out from the past, okay, that they've been, you know, stuck, you know, that they've been dealing with for a long while here, and they are now, you know, pushing forward, okay? It's like they're seeing what else is out there is what it feels like. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Clarify Knight of Pentacles for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Yep, the World card, yeah. Alright, somebody's definitely closing out a cycle and ready to begin a new cycle here, okay? Ace of Wands, there it is. That's that. And there's the Ten of Cups. There's that happily ever after. Alright, Six of Wands again. Yeah, and Ten of Wands. See? Alright, so I definitely feel that somebody's looking to start anew here. I feel as though what I'm hearing is for some of you, it's like, you know, their happiness lies elsewhere. So that's what I'm hearing, is the happiness lies elsewhere. Be it you or that, like I said, somebody that you're dealing with or somebody around you. Clarify the Four of Swords for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What they're having to look forward to May 2021. Clarify the Four of Swords, yeah. Yeah, Eight of Swords. Okay, so I feel like for some of you, this is... somebody's definitely got their back turned, okay? Somebody's back is turned to someone, but I feel as though there is somebody on the mind. There's a new start. I feel like that somebody's wanting here, okay? So something is on your mind or someone is on your mind, and it's a matter of closing out an old cycle or, you know, ending a previous connection so that you can, you know, have this beginning. Yeah, the Seven of Swords and the Full card. There it is. There's that leap of faith, okay? You might just be wanting to kind of sneak off here and take this leap of faith. You know, I feel like you've been kind of thinking how you're going to make this happen, how you're going to do this. All right? Yeah, I really feel like for some of you, you may have been fearful as far as your financial security and stability was concerned, you know, in leaving a situation to move towards something else. But I feel as though that might be fading away here, and you are going to just kind of pursue what it is that you're looking to pursue here. All right. So let's clarify the Death card for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What they're having to look forward to in May 2021. Clarify the Death. Thank you. Yeah, Six of Cups. Yeah, I feel like somebody's putting an end to the past. Okay, somebody's putting an end to, you know, what was, and they are moving towards what can be or what could be. Okay, what they want in their future here. All right. The Hangman. So there may have been some stagnancy here. Okay, you may have been searching for some enlightenment here as well, I feel like. And it's a matter of having gained that with that Ace of Swords, that truth, that clarity. I feel as though it's come in here. And it's like, now you know what to do. Now you know. Look, as I say that, Chariot again and Two of Wands. So, and there's the Magician. Yeah. So somebody had to choose a direction. Somebody had to choose a road, okay, or a person. And I feel as though that choice is now being made. And so, you know, you're ready to move on here. You're ready to go. All right, so let's get some other messages for Pisces, please, Holy Spirit. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, May 2021. I feel like you're ready to pursue something more solid, more stable, something more emotionally fulfilling. All right. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Pisces have to look forward to May 2021? I sense growth here, okay? It's like you're growing. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What does Pisces have to look forward to May 2021? All right, I'm hearing one more. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Oh, a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Yeah, okay, and I feel like it's been like this. The issue that you're resolving is, you know, this. I feel like this dead-end relationship or some sort of dead-end connection. And it's like now, you know, you're closing out that cycle and you're ready to move on. You're ready to begin again. So you are good enough, full moon in Virgo, in case you needed some, you know, what's the word? I'm blanking. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. You know, if you needed some reassurance here, you are good enough, Pisces, definitely. So let's get one more for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What they're to look forward to May 2021. Maybe you're finally realizing your worth here, okay? Like you're realizing you are good enough to have what it is that you truly want in your life, okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Thank you. Prosperity lies ahead. Yeah. All right, so your abundance, your healing, your happiness, it's all here for you. All right, that full card energy, taking that leap of faith here. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. The end of a tough cycle approaches, full moon in Capricorn. There it is. There's that Ten of Swords energy. All right, Pisces. So you are moving on to bigger and better things. That's what it feels like. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Advice for Pisces, May 2021, please, Holy Spirit. I feel like it's definitely taken time with that Patience card. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Advice for May 2021. Advice for Pisces, May 2021. Alright, I'm hearing one more. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit. Advice for Pisces, May 2021. Out of chaos comes creation. Amazonite, carnelian, peach moonstone, and red jasper are the crystals. So this is about chakra balance and cycles with that world card energy, right? So this is like, you know, moving on from something that's been unstable and, you know, unfulfilling and moving towards what is, okay? Out of chaos comes creation. You're manifesting this for yourself, okay? Truth is on the bottom. Speak from your heart. It is the only thing worth listening to. Throat chakra, turquoise. And you also have vulnerability. Showing vulnerability is a sign of strength. Throat chakra, sodalite. As well as strength. Strength comes from your connection to the root of your being. Making sure I read that right. Sorry, y'all. Strength comes from your connection to the root of your being. Root chakra, smoky quartz, and there's creation again. Okay, the flames of destruction will ignite a rebirth with that death card energy. Alright, so needing to be strong, needing to be courageous, you know, realizing your worth here, okay? And, you know, maybe showing some vulnerability and expressing what's in your heart here in order to, you know, make this new start for yourself, okay? Manifest this new start. One more here. Advice for, thank you. Journey. To enjoy the journey, let go of the outcome. Sacral chakra, red aventurine, alright? So this could be, you know, releasing the fears that you might have, okay? Those what ifs that maybe keep you up at night. You know, letting go of the outcome and just, you know, accepting this path that you're on and, you know, flowing with the universe here, okay? On the bottom is trust. Trust your intuition. It is in contact with a higher source of knowledge. Third eye chakra, tourmaline. All right, so yeah, I mean, you're, you know, as Pisces, I feel like you're very intuitive by nature, you know, so I feel as though your intuition and your heart is guiding you somewhere here, and you may have been fighting it off due to, you know, fears related to your stability and security, but I feel as though, you know, there's, this is about you releasing those fears, releasing that anxiety, and moving with what's in your heart here, okay, with what your intuition is telling you. Security, to feel more secure, deepen your connection with nature, root chakra, garnet, okay? So I feel as though you're going to be just fine. You know, confidence, no one will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. Be your own cheerleaders, solar plexus chakra, rutilated quartz, and like I said, I definitely felt, you know, fear and anxiety. Calmness, to calm your monkey mind, do not feed the animal, crown chakra, rainbow moonstone. All right, so don't let those fears and that anxiety take over you, and, you know, I feel like that kind of eats away at your self-confidence. All right. So let's get your final messages here, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please, Holy Spirit. Final messages for Pisces, May 2021. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, May 2021 was Pisces. We look forward to May 2021. All right, one more. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, please, Holy Spirit. What does Pisces have to look forward to in May 2021? Jeez. Alright, intuition, simple, complex, words of pain or words that heal. You come to know truth by the way that it feels. Yeah. Alright, so this is definitely about listening to your intuition, following your heart, okay? And I feel like expressing that as well, okay? Letting your actions, you know, letting your actions match, okay, what it is that's in your heart here. Hummingbird song, nectar of sweetness and joy it brings, the hummingbird's healing as medicine it sings, okay? So this is somebody looking to heal a situation, perhaps, you know, even just on your own, maybe, you know, and it's like it, you know, you end one painful cycle, you end a toxic cycle or connection, and, you know, you have this healing process, you know, and then it kind of, it opens the door to something more stable, something more emotionally fulfilling, you know, after a while here. So, you know, that's what I feel like that is speaking to. All right, and one final message here for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, May 2021. One final, thank you. Wow, inner power. Be your own command, or I'm sorry, by your own command, you brought yourself here. At this moment in life, you have nothing to fear. So yeah, see, that's that calmness, you know, calming the monkey mind. You have nothing to fear, but I feel as though you've kind of been holding back because you are fearful, all right? But so for May, I feel like, you know, you may be embracing this inner power more. You know, you may be tapping more into your intuition and, you know, finally embracing this change here and moving towards this transformation, all right? A distant kiss and a prayer flag. I wish of all wishes that you were here. Through sunlight and rain, I need you near. So some of you may be longing, you know, for someone else here, as I said, with that 3 of Cups and 3 of Wands, okay? And I feel like even if for some of you, you may not have, you know, another person or situation in mind, I feel like, you know, it may not be somebody or something in particular, but it's like, it's just like, you know, that feeling when you know there's something more, you know there's something else. You may not be certain about what it is, but it's like you just want to go out and explore so that you can, you know, experience and find maybe, you know, what else is out there, right? If that makes sense. So Pisces, this is what I have for you for May. I wish y'all much love, much luck. And I thank you for being with me. I'll catch y'all next time.